And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Nissi close-up lens kit version 2. It's a 77mm. They come in two different sizes. I got the 77. There's also a 58. They come with a couple of adapter rings and of course the lens itself, a lens cap and a nice little pouch. And we'll just have a quick look at the box. Nothing terribly exciting to look at, so we need to open it. So I've got my knife and let's get into it. Not certain how these things go at the moment. That comes out of that. That's they always do these weird things. That goes across there. Okay, now that goes down, it looks like, and across. Okay, we've got a bit of plastic started, so that'll do. We'll get this out of the way now. Let's see what it looks like inside the box. Okay, now we pull that out. And it's got a seal over that as well, it looks like. So, yep. So it's a double seal. Okay. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, see what's inside. Looks like the first to come out is a lens adapter ring. That's a 67 to 77mm. That's the case. Feels like the lens is in it. And no instructions in there. We have a little instruction manual here. We'll have a quick look, see what's in it. Very basic, not a lot, as you can see there. I'll bring it up a bit closer to the camera. So that's all that's in there. And this is the other lens ring. This is a, what is it? It's a 72 to 77. That's the one I'll be using for my camera. So we get those two. Let's have a little look in here. Nice feeling case. Good zip. And the lens itself. Has that got a... Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, it doesn't come out, or does it? No, I don't think it does. Okay, so we got a lens cover on one side. Oh, it might come out. Maybe it does. I'm not certain on that. I'll have to have a look at that later. But anyway, that's the lens. So hopefully it will work nicely with my camera. We'll certainly find out soon enough. And as it says here, Nissi close-up lens, 77mm NC, and we got a serial number CO57488, and that's basically all we can see. And there's a bit of small writing in here, whatever that is, a bit hard to read. So yeah, and this is what came in the box itself. There were two lens covers, which is kind of nice, so covers both sides. You can throw that in the case there, knowing full well it's protected. And of course when you've got it on the camera, you can use one of these to protect the lens as well. A couple of ring adapters, step up or step down depending on your particular camera. Now I've got my Nissi close-up lens. It's got an adapter on it which is a 77mm down to 72, which fits the camera nicely. We'll be using everything will be set to manual, so I'll be manually focusing. We'll go out to full zoom. This is a series of photos I've taken using the Nissi close-up lens, and as you can see, the macro capabilities of this thing is phenomenal. And exact same strawberry coming up. Now if you notice in the top right of the strawberry, where the green bit is, there's some little insects hiding. This is the macro shot with the Nissi, and we crop in again and you can see the little critters. So pretty impressive lens. And this is just a standard photo of a petunia, and as you come in a bit closer, surprise surprise, you can see the stamen, and again we've cropped in with the macro capabilities. This thing is very impressive. We run through the same thing with the seeds. This time we're using stacking techniques, so it'll tell you how many images I'm using in each of the stacks. Now hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Maybe you've learned something. I don't know. Maybe you have. Who knows? Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Doesn't matter either way. Perhaps you'd like to even, subscribe. I won't say no to that. If you want to leave a comment, feel free to do that as well. I'd appreciate it. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video. And at this point in time, I've got absolutely no idea what it's going to be. All the very best till then. Bye.